Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. We're going to try this video again, guys. I tried to shoot this car the other day and it was raining and I was leaving for a show, so we got some sunshine. It's still a little cool out here, but we'll try to give you a little better look at this car. Love this car, man. 1970 GTO. It is a true 242 VIN, real GTO car. It's out of North Carolina. It's finished in Palisade green with the black vinyl top, and it's got the dark green interior in it. Beautiful car. Recent frame off restoration that was done, I think, 2 years ago. But the motor now, the motor has very few miles on it. I think he said less than 500 miles on the engine since he got it done. It is a 70 date coated 455 HO block in this car. It's not original to the car. In fact, I've got all the PHS for the car. It was originally a 400 car, so they've added the 455, but it's fun anyways. It's got aluminum, Edelbrock aluminum heads. Car runs and drives outstanding, guys. Factory air, Muncie 4-speed, great car. If you're going to nitpick some stuff, you're going to see some, little small cracks in the Euro bumper, which is pretty common. You can see the spot where they probably, tapped it or something in the garage. But other than that, man, there's not a whole lot you can really pick on this car. It's just an outstanding car. It's got the front spoiler. I love the rear deck spoiler. Just a great car, guys. The one thing I will tell you about this car, as you walk around it, you look in the little nooks and crannies and stuff like that. This is just a very, very nice car. See how nice the glass is, the dash is nice. There is not a whole lot you can really pick at on this car. I love the options, the 455 with a 4-speed in the air. I'm not a big air guy, but I know a lot of people love AC, and it does work. The air does blow cold. I love the rear spoiler. Again, you can see how nice the chrome and stainless is on this car. The fit and finish is excellent. You can see how the car's nice and flat down the sides. Rally 2 wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TAs. It's got the correct chrome GTO tips on it. Just a good car. We took some really nice photos of it underneath. Matter of fact, I reshot all the photos out in the sunlight so you can get a better look at this car. I love this car, guys. I mean, this is something that absolutely I could just have a ball with. So Rally 2s with the correct PMD caps and lugs. Front disc brakes. Car's got slick paint on it. Again, it is a 70 date coated 455 HO block, Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake and Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads on it. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. It's got a comp cam, nice little cam to it. Nothing crazy. It runs on pump gas, power steering, power front disc brakes, and factory air. Great car. I cannot say that enough about this car. This is a very, very nice car, guys. It's got the hood tach. It's functional. Slick car. That Palisade green's got a little metallic to it, so it pops in the sunlight. Vinyl tops in excellent shape. Chrome mirror. That looks great, really nice. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Like I say, there's not a whole lot you can really pick at on this car. Door pads are nice, interior's nice. You can see the new sill plates, new carpet, a couple little touch-up marks there. Again, just nitpicking the car for you. Bench seat car, factory bench seat car with the correct Hurst shifter in there, 4-speed. And even little starting instructions on your sun visors. 56,891 on the odometer, and that is supposed to be the original miles. It's factory tach and gauge car. You can see it's got the functional clock, aftermarket radio. It's dual exhaust. It is a 336 safety track or posi rear end. That's Pontiac's version of posi. And even, you know, the trunk light works. Great car. Old bias ply spare with the factory jack. Again, I ordered all the PHS documentation for the car. It's got an aftermarket CD player. It's all spackle coated in here like it's supposed to be. And I promise it does not sound like that. This is a great car, man. Love this car. And see how nice it is underneath. Floors are nice and clean. Again, we took some nice photos of it. I'm gonna, you know, guys, I'm sorry. I know I've taken some heat from guys emailing me, calling me, complaining that cars are getting sold before you get the chance to see them. You know, one guy, we keep a very small crew of guys here, and I like doing the videos. You know, myself. I talked to a guy today. Matter of fact, he said the reason you guys sell so many cars is these videos. I think he's right. I try to, you know, tell you what I like and what I don't like about a car. You know, I'm being open and honest about stuff on cars. That's why I tell everybody they're all going to break down. If you're not prepared to work on these things, you shouldn't be buying an old car. I know that gets people upset with me too. They don't want to hear that, but it's just the God's honest truth. Nice little cam to it. I mean, this car, man, I love this car. You see the AC works, it blows cold. That's just an outstanding looking car, man. Hood tach works. Gauges are working, good oil pressure. Again, the clock works. Parking brake, Jay, does work, guys. Sounds good, man. The car's got a good sound to it. Radio works, blower motor works. Again, the doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Love this car. Have a great day, guys.